The Mortgage Minute today being brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial when you're ready for that next home loan. Geneva's got the programs and the products. Yeah, they've got the basic stuff. But what about the bank statement, the 1099, the VOE, the reverse mortgages? All of those are available. Let's see what's going on in the market now. S&P 500 down 49.5. 10-year Treasury up 8 basis points. Mortgage-backed securities, they've been jumping around all morning long. They came out the day they were down 5, and they were down 72. Now they're down 39 basis points. And as I share with you every morning, all that really matters is OBMMI. They provide the most comprehensive, accurate, timely, and interactive analysis of price ever conducted in the mortgage industry, calculated from actual locked rates with consumers across 35% of all mortgage transactions nationwide. Yesterday, loans locked. Again, it's across 35% of all the loans nationwide. Average on the conforming loans, 5.344. Jumbo loans, 4.923. FHA loans, 5.254. Best loan on the market for our heroes, the 30-year VA loan, 4.951. And USDA loans, 5.187. But all that information is readily available on that super secret website, google.com. The reason you're tuning into Ron Siegel Radio is we tell you why all of this is happening. Well, we got another report. Apartment List published its national rent report this week, showing that rents increased by 1.2% in May, 15.3% year over year. Remember, rents were still up 1.2% in the month alone, which is still around 14.4% pace for the year annualized. This report is for new rents. Renewals are going up high single digits year over year. Told you about the Secretary of Treasury and her commentary yesterday. MBA released their mortgage application data. Again, as I've shared with you many, many times, don't get any advice from Diana Olick, right? She came out with some more negative advice again today. I'm waiting. I'm waiting until she gives us a piece of good advice, because it will be the first time she ever gives good advice in real estate. So she came out and said, well, we've got the worst numbers in 5 or 6 years in mortgages. But wait a second. That's taking into account the refi market. Well, of course, the refis are down a bit right now, unless you're looking for doing something strategic. That's smart. But if you're looking for rate and term, you're probably not looking at that right now. But if you're looking for purchases, well, they're down a little bit, but not nearly as much as they're reporting. It's not doom and gloom out there. Might be harder to find a piece of property than anything else. But I am noticing a turn in the market. I just looked at 11% of the listings that were in and around where we broadcast from. 11% had price reductions in the last couple of weeks. Hadn't seen price reductions in quite a while. So if you're watching, if you want that information, we put that out every week. We put out a whole set of new reports, days on market, price reductions, where the new listings are coming out. Any zip code in the United States, we've got the report for it. That's the Mortgage Minute, brought to you by our friends at Geneva Financial when you're ready for that next home loan. Geneva's got the programs and the products. You just need to make that call, 800-306-1990, 800-306-1990.